In this video, I'm going to walk you through what it's involved in setting up an appointment for a customer from the administrative board. So we'll start by going to the customer screen. The customer is called in, and we'll just use me as the example. You can open that information and say, I want to go ahead and create a new booking. So I add booking. That's going to open the calendar. And they're, let's say, interested in wreck fishing. And it's going to give some boat preferences, and they don't really care, but you're going to say, hey, let's put them on Xceleran 3. That's a big boat. Let's try this one. And we go ahead and look at the options. They're interested in a weekend, so we're going to pick this one. That's going to open up details. You may want to review those with them, and then you're ready to go ahead and book now. All of the information is already filled in. All you need to do is say how many people. So let's say it's 5, and you're now going to go ahead and submit that. That's going to create a customer booking. Opens up the booking page. You open that up. And the details are there, including your requirements in terms of any fees to be collected. In this case, there's no deposit required. So you would go ahead and just click Save. Or if you wanted to collect money, in this case, the customer wants to pay something up front, you're going to click this, and it's going to take you right into the virtual terminal for you to go ahead and process it. You can send them an XPay link, for instance. And again, all your information is right there, so it makes it really quite simple. And from the booking table, the only thing that you need to do at that point is go ahead and say scheduled, to go ahead and confirm, send a confirmation email to the customer that everything has been set up. And that's it. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.